Hi, I'm Amy from eSpares, and in this video I'll be going through some safety tips and introducing some handy gadgets to give you added security and peace of mind in your own home. We'll link all of the products we mentioned down below in the description so you can easily get your hands on them. Now, a big part of keeping your home safe is to be aware of the fire risks. Many of us are guilty of getting a fire alarm and putting it up on the ceiling and then forgetting about it. So if you take just one thing away from this video, make sure that you check the batteries in your smoke alarms and replace them if necessary. It's also best to make sure you have a smoke alarm on every floor of your home. If you find replacing the batteries in your smoke alarm a pain, you can actually get smoke detectors that hardwire directly into your home's electrics instead. We also offer a smart smoke alarm, which, as well as bleeping, also sends a notification to your mobile as soon as it detects smoke. So whether you've popped out to the shops or you're down the bottom of the garden, you can be made aware of any fire safety issue in your home. If you have a gas appliance, like a gas boiler or a gas cooker, it's highly recommended to install a carbon monoxide alarm nearby. Carbon monoxide poisoning can be very serious and even life-threatening. An alarm gives you a warning about this otherwise invisible danger. Whilst you can get dedicated carbon monoxide alarms, some fire alarms also detect carbon monoxide, so definitely look out for this combi alarm if you've got a gas appliance. Now, a less commonly owned but very important fire safety accessory is the fire blanket, which can be used to smother grease fires or to wrap up a person whose clothing's caught alight. You can also get fire ladders so that you can escape the higher stories of your home should a fire break out in an area that blocks your exit. Now, I mentioned smart fire alarms earlier in the video, but in fact there's a whole range of smart security gadgets to keep your home even more secure. It's especially important to keep an eye on your property through the dark winter months. So with security cameras, motion sensors and even doorbells, it's a lot easier to make sure that your property stays secure. Smart cameras can be turned on remotely so you can view inside or outside your home from anywhere in the world. Look for options with wide-angle lenses so you can see maximum amounts of your home. Smart doorbells let you see and speak to the person at your door remotely, so you can give a delivery driver instructions on where to leave your package, let your friends know when you'll be back, and give strangers at your door the impression you're home when you're not. Motion sensors let you know when motion is detected in or around your home. These can be linked up with alarm systems as a deterrent for thieves so that the alarm sounds and you're notified if someone enters your home when it should be empty. Installing an outdoor light or a motion sensor is also a good idea to keep an eye on who's entering your garden at night, even if it is just the neighbourhood cat. If you want to learn more about these smart gadgets, we've got a whole playlist of videos on this which we'll link up here. A more budget-friendly alternative to an alarm system is a dummy alarm. These come equipped with flashing lights and other features, so they're virtually indistinguishable from the real deal, so you get the deterrent without the price tag. Don't forget to make your garden and your outdoor areas secure too. If you have a shed, make sure there's a hefty padlock on it, especially if you have expensive gardening appliances inside. Even if you don't have much of value inside your shed, be sure to lock it anyway, as burglars have been known to take the tools out of people's sheds and use them to break into houses so they're not caught with the tools red-handed. Now, our last safety tip is to make sure that none of your appliances are posing any risk to you. As well as the possibility of carbon monoxide emissions that we mentioned earlier in this video, appliances can be a common cause of house fires. So a little bit of regular maintenance makes your machines much safer. So check out our video on key appliance safety tips down here. So that's it for this video. Make sure that you click the subscribe button for regular advice and step-by-step guides to help you with your home appliance issues. Thanks for watching.